Welcome to Supreme Components International, your premier partner for high-quality electronic components. At Supreme Components, we pride ourselves on offering top-of-the-line products and services to meet all your electronic manufacturing needs. Equipped with cutting-edge artificial intelligence tools, Supreme Components ensures that you get the best price offers on the market. Our tools constantly analyze market trends and pricing data to provide you with the most competitive prices. As an authorized distributor with stocks readily available, you can trust Supreme Components to deliver on time. Our strong partnerships with OEMs and EMSs mean that you have access to a wide range of products, all under one roof. Gone are the days of worrying about increasing prices. With Supreme Components, you can take advantage of the best prices. Simply provide us with your bill of materials and ensure that you get the best price in the industry. Whether you have high or low estimated annual usage requirements, Supreme Components can meet your needs in the most cost-efficient way possible. Our commitment to quality and customer satisfaction sets us apart from the rest. Choose Supreme Components International for all your electronic component needs and experience the difference quality and innovation can make. Contact us today to learn more about how we can help you save time and money on your next project.